Hello everyone. Today we will solve LeetCode problem 3, which is longest substring without repeating characters. So the problem statement is, given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Let us look at the examples that has been provided to us. Given a string ABC, ABC, BB, so the answer is ABC and we should be returning the length of 3. So there might be multiple substrings of the same length, but we can return the maximum length of the substring. In this case, so A, B, C will return us the length of 3. And when we try to do A, B, C and A, we have A getting repeated twice. So we should not be considering at this case. So we only need to see the cases where the characters are not getting repeated. So even in BCA there is no repetition, and when we consider BCA and B, so B is repeated twice. So and CAB will give us length of 3, and the same way ABC will again give us length of 3. So the maximum length of the substring without repeating characters would be 3. And let us see the other example. We have been given with string B, 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 B and B. So the output should be 1 because B is getting repeated throughout the string, and we can form the substring of length 1 without repeating. And the other example is PWWKEW. So the maximum length would be 3 with WK and E as the substring. Now let us see how this problem can be solved. So this is the string that has been given in the example. We can use sliding window approach to find the substrings and find the maximum length of this. And in order to keep track of the elements that we are seeing when we are passing through the string, we will use the set data structure. Let us assume that we have two pointers I and j, both are initiated at 0 for the window. And also we can keep a track of set here, and along with this we need a pointer to store the maximum length that we are encountering. Let us initiate this with length 0 now, and this would be the string that we will be always calculating the length for. Now I and j are at 0, our window is now a. As our window is now a, the length of a will become, sorry, 1. The length of a is 1. We add the a, we add the element a to the set. So we have added here, and max length is now 0. As a, the substring a has length of 1, which is greater than the max length, we will update max length equal to 1. And now let us increment j by 1. We will be keeping on increment the right pointer. Let us call j as our right pointer and I as our left pointer. We keep on incrementing the right pointer until we encounter a repeating character. So as we increase it, our sliding window will now become AB. So AB has a length of 2. 2 is greater than max length 1. So we will update max length with 2. And we add our j is at element B, we add our character B to the set and increment j by one more digit. So our window now will become A, B and C. So the length of the substring ABC is 3, which is greater than the max length. We update our max length to be 3, as well as we update our set with the element C. Now increase j by one more, and our sliding window now became A, B, C and A. A, B, C and A. And first we look at the set. In the set, there is a repeating character A. We are at character A. There is a repeating character A. When there is a repeating character A, before adding our new character, what we do is we go on increment I pointer by 1, and we eliminate the first digit from the set, and we add our character to the set. And now our the string became, so as we increased I pointer, it will now start from B. I is removed, so from B it's B, C and A. So A is gone, B, C and A has a length of 3, which is equal to the max length which we already have. So now go ahead and increase j by one more character. So j is now pointing to the second b. We try to go and add b to the set. B is already available. If b is already available, increment I by 1. So the b will be eliminated and the new b will get added here. So now our pointer is at c instead of b. So the substring now is CA and B. So CAB has the length of 3 and our max length is also 3. So we keep our max length as it is. Now increment our j pointer by one more, and j is now pointing to C. We try to add C to the set. C is already available, so we go ahead and increment I by 1. So I will now point to A, and we will remove this C. So the C get out of the set and we add C here. So now our sliding window becomes ABC, which is of length 3, equals to our already existing max length. Now come again and increase our j pointer by 1. When we increase our j pointer 1, it will become A, B, C and B. This is the most interesting part. So A, B, C and B is our new string. So we are at element B now. We try to go and add element B. So B is already available in the set. What we do is we first increment I by 1. So I will now point to B. So when I points to B, we should be removing this A from here and A from the set. Now our string, as we removed A, our set will now becomes BCB and our substring is BCB. So even in BCB, the repeating character is B. So we go ahead and add one more digit to the I. So I will now point to 1 and the B here and here will get removed, and now the substring we have is CB. So in CB there is no repeating character. So we go ahead and add B to the set. So now set will have C and B. So the length of the substring CB is now 2, which is less than the max length already which we have achieved. So we retain this max length as 3 as it is. Now increase j by one more pointer. Our sliding window is now C, B and B. Right here, C, B and B is my sliding window. When I go and try to write this second B to the set, B is already available. So what I do, I increment I by 1 so that C gets removed. Again the set has B and B, so the B will be repeating character, so I will remove one more B by adding 1 here, and B is removed. Now the set is empty, so I will be, our pointer is at final B now. I will be going and adding this B to the set. So our sliding window, as we removed C and B, our sliding will now become B, which is of length 1. So length 1 is less than already achieved length, which is 3. So our result would be 3. So this is how we would be solving this problem. Let us code this out and we can understand a little more. So first let us initiate a set called as scene. Scene equals set. It would be an empty set. Then I will use two pointers, left pointer and right pointer, for maintaining the sliding window. Let me start left pointer at position 0, and for storing the maximum result I will use res parameter. The maximum length is 0 now, and for the right parameter I will use the for loop iteration as well. For r in range length is, as we iterate through the length of the string, I will be updating the r parameter. First we will check if uh, element at r is already present in the set. So if we have seen this element already, it means that this is already available in the set. So we go ahead and remove this. So seeing that, remove S of L. So as we have already discussed, so whenever we find A again at the right pointer, we will be removing the element at the left pointer. So we are removing scene dot remove S of left element, and along with that we will be updating our left pointer by 1, add 1 to the left pointer. So L plus equals 1. So in case if this is not in scene, so what we should do? So if when we are at letter C, which is not in scene already, we should go ahead and file the length and update the maximum length. Our length is stored in result. So first we will add the element at right pointer to the set, and then we will update the result pointer with max of already obtained result, comma j minus I plus 1. J minus I plus 1 will gives us the length of the substring. Sorry, it's not J, it's R minus L. We used R and L for this, and we can return result. So let us see this again. We are initializing an empty set called as scene, and we are initializing the left pointer and right pointer being used as in the for loop, and the result which is storing the max length is initialized as 0. And when we go through the right pointer, if the character is already available in the scene, we will remove that character. We will remove the first character. We are using while loop because until that character becomes new to the set, the elements, I mean the characters, will get removed from the uh, scene, and we will be incrementing this left pointer by 1. And if in case this right character is not available in the scene, we will add that character to the scene set, and we will update our result to maximum of the length of the existing substring and the result, and we are returning the result. So let us run this and check. I will do a submit. So code is submitted, and it's faster than 87% of the Python 3 online submissions, which is very good. And the complexity of this approach would be order of n, as we are iterating through the list only once. Thanks for watching. Happy coding.